Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paul Sambo. In today's video, I'm going to reveal one winning product that the seller has made 6 figures within few months, so that you can sell on your store. So if you want to know this product, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to like this video. Product that has made the seller to make 6 figures sales within few past months. As you can see here, this product is solving people's problems. That's why the seller has made get so many sales. This product is called unisex blackhead remover. As you can see here, the price is $4.6 US, and if you want to verify that this seller has made a lot of money, let us check the number of sales or orders that he has got in the past few months. As you can see here, the seller has made 42,966 sales within few past months. Now, if you take this 42,966 times $4.68 US, you will get these 6 figures. So the seller has made a lot of money with this product. This shows us that if also you sell this product on your store, you are going to generate 6 figures or even above. What is needed here is just your marketing skills. As you can see here, this product is already proven that people need this product because it solves people's problems. If you sell this product also in your store, you are going to generate a lot of sales, as already the products of the buyers have rated 5 stars, and as you can see here, so the average is 4.8 out of 5, so the rating is very good. So also if you sell this product on your store, you are going to get so many sales, as you can see here. So this is a winning product. The seller has made a lot of money from this product, and if also you want to sell on your store, of these products is deep cleansing, removing blackhead, acid treatment, shrinking pores, and it can stay in the shelf with for 3 years. So you don't have to worry about expiry date because you can preserve it for 3 years. Method of use, you can is written here, so you can get more details from this page and also from the product itself once